Especially in India, the need is very important at the moment because of the necessity of building infrastructure in India. We need infrastructure to grow. So definitely for this infrastructure, we need concrete. For concrete, we need cement, and cement is being produced with high energy consumption and high CO2 level emission. To balance this one, or to reduce the energy consumption and reduce the CO2 emission, we need an alternative. LC3 is the best alternative, and it's promising. With the preliminary studies, it has promising results and it has a potential market in India. Performance is the one. Proof of performance is what is very important whenever something comes up. So for me, it's basically how it is. First of all, we need to demonstrate to the public that this is having potential viability to be used. So as a common man, what a person will be looking at is strength and durability, basically. Okay, I'm having this material, I'm using this material, OPC. Now I want to use, the society is giving another alternative that this material is there, and whether it is suitable for me. So what are the things? There are so many parameters. Scientifically, there are so many parameters to be proved. Okay, for this material you need, these are the tests to be done, and then only it can be qualified as a good material for performance. So on that note, we are looking at all the aspects collectively. My part is look at the fresh state. Basically, when you mix water with cement, and the next 2 hours is very crucial. How it is going to behave in the first 2-3 hours can have a lot of impact on the final strength part and durability part. So as a layman, generally people will be looking at strength, and whether it is having good strength, at the same time whether it is long, standing for a long time, basically how durable it is. So this fresh part becomes very essential. So my part is to understand the fresh behavior through rheological experiments. Standardization is very important. Unless we standardize it, it becomes very difficult to convince the people. So whenever we develop some new product, obviously the codes are very important. So already we are in the process of forming guidelines, and first of all we have to develop the product, understand the product scientifically, proof of performance. Once it is done, then we can recommend these things to the government bodies, and we can conduct some workshops, seminars, dissemination of information to make sure that the public is aware of the material and the performance. Then code, when it is being discussed in the higher level committees, and if it is translated into codes, then the possibility of using this one on a large scale is possible. Code is a very important thing, because whenever any project comes, obviously all the projects refers the codes.